Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel on this beautiful fall day. Today's project, we're going to be installing some eave lights on our house. Let's get started. So it is an absolutely beautiful fall day today. Rather warm, about 65 or 70 degrees. And today we've got some eave lights to put up on the house. So these eave lights will mount up and under the eave. They'll go all the way around to the other end of the house. And these lights will provide some downlight from underneath of the gutter of our house down onto the wall a little bit. And these are permanent lights. I'm gonna put these up, we're gonna leave them up there, and we can use them for Christmas lights. We can use them during 4th of July, any kind of holiday. We can put up lights, and this means I won't have to put up Christmas lights this year. So we're gonna be using Lumary Permanent Outdoor Eave Lights, and thank you to Lumary for sending me these lights. You'll have to forgive my dogs. So these lights are on a string, and there's 118 feet of lights, which I suspect will probably be a little shorter than that. They usually include the length of the cable that runs to the power box, the control box, and the power cord. And I would say that they'll probably be, I don't know, maybe 108, 105 feet, something like that. There's 78 lights in this kit. And what I'm planning to do is to run these all the way around the front of the house. And I think that there's going to be enough to go up the eave on the other side and back down. So this is the view you kind of see from the road. And so we'll have the lights up here on the eave of the house. So let's open the box up here, see what we got. We do have some specifications on the back if you're interested in those. All right, inside the box, we have 3 separate boxes. And one thing I do like about these right off the bat is they're white, and they'll match the siding of our house. And this is the power cord. And it looks like we have some clips to clip the cables up with, a remote control. This box we have the lights, and in this box we have another set of lights. So these are the lights themselves. These are a type of puck light, and they have 3M double-sided tape on the back, so you just stick these up. And they also have this typical connector that you see on a lot of these LED lights, and this will allow you to string those together. This set of lights, that set of lights, and then those connect to the power supply. So what we have to do is we have to go up on a ladder under the eaves, and we have to clean those, make sure there's nothing gooey, anything up there that would keep them from sticking. That way we won't have any problems sticking these lights up. So I'm gonna go get my ladder together and a rag and something to clean the eaves with, and we'll start putting these up. All right, to kind of give you an idea of what we're doing here, just gonna spray this. And I am just using some mean green. You can use whatever cleaner you like to use. Then I'm gonna take a towel, clean this up. All right, I'm gonna see if I can peel this off and hold the camera at the same time. And all I'm gonna do is come up and under here, slap this up there. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these lights up. all the way down, and then we'll talk about it when we get done. So as you can see in the daytime, these are visible, but they're not terrible. I don't have a problem with that. That was one thing I was concerned about, was they'll look good at night, but what do they look like during the daytime? I don't think from the road I'll even be able to see those. I did have enough to go all the way down the side. Now the areas where I needed to pull them in just a little bit to get them on the spot where they stick, I just tucked the cable up inside the vinyl at the top. Also, 3M double-sided tape will stick anywhere. And I realized about after the first 10 feet or so that I really didn't need to use it. So I didn't clean any more of it off. It stuck anyway. Your mileage may vary though. All right, to hook up the power supply, just have the same connector that goes between the lights. You can see the end of it right there. So we're just gonna plug that up. And then this collar screws onto the end of it, and that makes it waterproof. All right, I'm gonna tuck this behind my vinyl. All the way down. Then we'll plug the power supply up, we'll be ready to go. All right, that's gonna do it for the install portion. Now we'll install the app, and then we'll come back and take a look at them at night. guys, there we go. Christmas lights. Guess we better change them to Thanksgiving for right now, though. That'll work for Thanksgiving. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you wouldn't mind, go down and hit that like and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Go down in the comments, let me know any questions you have. If you decide to install lights of your own like these, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.